not apple. It's not apple, it's apple. So there's a sign, Apple Valley Farm. Yeah, it's been a long time. Seems like the park is completely closed down. I don't even think this is safe to walk on. So, and there's the river over there. I really don't think it's safe to walk on. I might just stop right here. I won't even try to cross it. So, yeah, I remember there's a lot of alligator and crocodile in this water, but Happy Valley Farm, this is it. Bless her, bless her. Yeah man, bless up, bless up, bless up. Right now we are currently in Magatti. Yeah man, Magatti, St. Elizabeth. Zine. And we are actually at the first major town before you reach Akangpang Maroon village. You see it, so I'm just gonna show you like a quick small tour of Magatti town. It's not a big town, it's just a nice town that actually just have everything. You know, a police station, post office is really nice, really unique, and just the way of life with Jamaica. Remember, it's not a narrating video, but I will do my best to put the names of the turns or lane wherever I take in actually doing this video. We are currently looking at the Magatti High School, right? So to give you an idea of where I'm starting the video from, right? So yeah man, stay tuned, watch the video, give the video a like as you watch it, leave a comment in the comment section, right? And listen, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. See? Remember, subscription is free, so just subscribe. So check out the water, man. Yeah man. Yes, elder. Hold on, 20 for free money. We are see. Free money. One go. Alright, see the way. Am I lucky day today? Alright, blessed. Listen. Manas, manas. Yes, sir. Even. Can see this town have a lot of old building, a lot of room for improvement, but I'm not gonna be going any much further up this side, so I'm gonna go to the next side now, cause it's really here, so as far as the town comes. Yeah. One thing about up here, I love the temperature. It is so cool and the air is just light and nice. Trust me, really nice ambience. But trust me, can do so much with this town, these buildings, hold and mash up and a lot of things. This town just really need more than a facelift.
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
So if you remember Happy Valley Farm when you were a child, this is where Happy Valley Farm used to be. Yeah, Lexi said it's not apple, it's not happy, it's apple. So there's a sign, Apple Valley Farm. Yeah, it's been a long time. Seems like the park is completely closed down. I don't even think this is safe to walk on. So, and there's the river over there. I really don't think it's safe to walk on. I might just stop right here. I won't even try to cross it. So, yeah, I remember there's a lot of alligator and crocodile in this water, but Happy Valley Farm, this is it. Or what it used to be. Yeah, I won't cross it. Don't think it's safe. So yeah, Apple Valley Farm once was. I used to really love this place. Yeah man, so respect and bless up to everybody who tune in watch this. Magatti is a very small town, very small area. So hope you enjoyed the little walk. As I said, I enjoyed it. Nice and cozy. I love the temperature down here, really nice. So big up every time. I remember, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, keep it going, keep it growing. Alright, big up every time. Remember to like the video, leave a comment in the comment section as we just tour Jamaica and have fun and showcase the beautiful island. Yeah, alright, so big up every time. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah man, respect every time. See you.